Welcome back to the Traders Expo. I'm your host, Mark Leibovit, and I have a very good friend and special guest for us this morning, Harry Boxer from the TechTrader.com. Harry and I know each other for a while. Actually, I interview him almost every week on my weekly Wall Street Raw radio program, and he's the hardest working guy I know. I say this on the radio show every year. Literally all day long, this gentleman is online covering intraday trades and stocks, though he does have some swing trades, but just tremendous amount of time. And if I could ever endorse anyone in the business, it would be Harry Boxer in terms of the time and effort he puts in, not to mention the great ideas you get during the day. Harry, thank you for joining us.
My pleasure.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about TechTrader.
Well, TechTrader is a site with several hundred traders in it, and we specialize in finding stocks that are emerging, breaking out, and I would think an expert at analyzing 1 minute intraday chart patterns for potential day trades. And then oftentimes we'll look at 15-minute hourly charts for potential stocks that could be 3 to 5 week type swing trades as well.
And you're not really looking at any news, you're just looking at the chart patterns,
I do look at the news because of my members want to know why.
Why?
But during the day,
telling them why is not the reason, right?
And I tell them why is because there's more buyers than sellers. But for the most part, once I talk about the initial pattern and why it's developing, the rest of the day it's all about technical.
Okay. So let's differentiate between the short term and the swing trade. What makes the difference?
Well, a pattern I'm seeing intraday would be a pattern that I think would be good for that session. But if something is breaking out over a longer period of time, base pattern or resistance level, it may be something that could be, and particularly if there's not a lot of resistance between the breakout point and the next resistance level, there may be a really good swing in it. Yes. That's where I put out a swing trade.
I think back in 2015 you wrote a book. Let's talk about your book.
A book called Profitable Day in Swing Trading. It's on Amazon and Barnes & Noble. And I decided to write it in layman's terms so that the average Joe who doesn't know anything about technical analysis can get a pretty good idea of what I'm talking about and what my techniques are.
Now this morning here at the Traders Expo, Harry had a workshop, and he does have occasional workshops. So during that workshop you're covering the contents of your book, more or less?
Well, I really talk about, because I don't have a lot of time, it's only 45 minutes, I talk about the what I look for in the morning, what I do in the morning, and how when stocks are developing and running during the session, how I come on and do more videos, update them on the patterns intraday, show them where support, resistance, and targets are, and where they should have their stops.
You do offer a free trial to your service. Talk about that.
Well, you can get in my room for 2 weeks for free with no credit card. Just join in, sign up, and take the advantage of it for 2 weeks. A lot of people tell me they make so much money in the first 2 weeks they can pay for a whole year's subscription just off the trial.
And you go to thetechtrader.com for that. We have to take a short break now. We'll be right back here at the Traders Expo with Harry Boxer.